9 months ago, we were sitting in here and taking delivery of our first machine. We didn't really know where that was going to take us. And today, they're actually bringing in the second machine, the ST20Y. Machine day is always an awesome day, right? My name is Tom Bacher. I'm the owner here at One Off Coating LLC. We started doing Cerakote about 4 years ago for the firearms industry. Started doing kind of your smaller individual projects and eventually grew into some production. We started doing laser engraving as well. And adding the machine in, we're basically just able to build those relationships even further. When I first started looking at machines, I was actually looking at small manual mills, just for doing small customization type of stuff. That quickly grew into looking and quoting mini mills. What I realized with the mini mills was with the space I have here in the shop, a VF2 might be a better option just because of the size. I mean, we had the room here in the shop. The reason we got the ST20Y is just so that we can kind of grow into the machine. Having that live tooling and everything and the Y-axis, I didn't want to start with something too basic and outgrow the capabilities of the machine quickly. I wanted to basically be able to tackle any project we needed to do. What we're doing is working with some of our existing customers and coming out with some new products or products that they already purchase from other vendors, but because of the current market are unavailable, hard to get, or they have too long of a lead time. So we started making these very, very simple parts just to get familiar with the machine. It was just a small aluminum part, running it in 2 vices, doing op1 and op2, and running these parts one at a time. We eventually grew that into cutting soft jaws, learning that whole process, speeding up the process, running more parts, running faster. We're trying to start making parts as efficiently as possible. So the rotary, I think, will help us have less time spent, switching out parts. We'll be able to just have the spindle running as much as possible. A lot of companies are running really far behind right now, just because it's so hard to get materials in. So hard to get other parts in. I think that the market is going to stay very strong throughout this year at least. And us making these moves with buying machines while the market was high, I think we're going to put ourselves in a really good position where we're going to be one of the ones that stand out and we're still there in the end and we're able to keep helping our customers.